Let's try something easier. In 1,
Yesterday,
Oh, really? Then it sounds like you will do the exercise for the bone.
me?
Yeah.
Me not and you're feeling because I also have a soft liver. See?
You don't have clippers. She doesn't have clippers. Jenkins! Jenkins!
Wow! How can you do that?
Well, sometimes if you say something just